Happy New Year's, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elise, and I like to bring you motivational videos for things like cleaning, keto way of eating, mom life, different cleaning hacks, organization, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're into videos like that, go ahead and keep on watching. Today we're going to be doing some major motivation. I'm going to be removing some of my couch cushions here. A couple of them were a little trickier to get off than I thought they would be, so I left them on and did some spot cleaning as well. I didn't really need to clean these back ones. I did take off this big cushion here, but I left the rest of the back cushions intact. And I'm going to see how the seat cushions go in the washing machine. This is my first time washing the cushion covers for this sofa. And this is an Ashley Furniture sofa. I can't remember the name of it, but if I can find it, I will link it in the description box. So if you're interested in videos like this and you want some major motivation, go ahead and keep watching. At this point, I had given up on that giant Chase cover because it was way too hard to get off of there, and that's when I decided to do the spot cleaning on the bigger parts of the sofa. So I'm just going to take off these seat cushions here and get them ready to go in the washing machine. And then I'm also going to be cleaning our blinds today. They are very dusty in our living room and our entry area, so I'm going to be dusting those today, wiping down the windowsills, and giving you some extra motivation there as well. Now I'm just going to zip this back up, and sorry it's so bright. I had the blinds just barely cracked and it is putting a lot of light out right over there. But anyway, I just got that zip back up so that I can just spot treat it later. And then right now I'm going to take off all the cushions because it was so gross underneath all of the cushions on the couch. I had no idea. There are magnet tiles, there's trash, there's all kinds of food debris, so I'm going to get all of that cleaned up. had a load of cleaning cloths that I had on the sanitize cycle in our washer that I had to wait to finish. So I'm just going to move those over to the dryer and get the couch cushion covers into the washing machine now. I'm going to be washing these on Delicate. I did use regular detergent and I also added in a little bit of laundry sanitizer. I like to use this with all of our towels, stuff like that, and right now is major cold season here in Boise, so I want to make sure that our covers are nice and sanitized. And I'm using OxiClean stain remover just for laundry. On the back of the bottle, it does say that it's okay for upholstery spot cleaning. I'm doing it a little bit different than the instructions say. It does say not to spray directly on the spots that you're trying to treat, but to spray it onto a damp rag and then go ahead and scrub out the spots. But do as I say, not as I do. I did it the other way by just spraying the spots and scrubbing it with one of my Norwex EnviroCloths, but you do whatever works for you. This worked great for me and the spots came up pretty effortlessly. Now I'm getting started with these pesky blinds, and they really need to be taken off and washed in a tub of water, but for now I'm just going to vacuum everything and then give everything a good wipe down, and it'll definitely knock off the big chunks until I can get them into some bath water. But I need to research that a little bit more, and then I will definitely keep everyone posted on the progress. If you're not already, go and follow me on Instagram at OneFeistyMama, and I will link that below as well, my handle, just because sometimes I post things or updates that I've tried. I'll post them to Instagram because it's a little bit simpler. I might not get around to making a full video about it. I really love this little attachment that I'm using on my vacuum right now. It's the one with a little angled brush head, and it is just so versatile. I could use it on my baseboards, obviously stuff like this. It's gentle enough where I know it's not going to scratch our blinds or push too hard or gouge them, but it does get the job done, and it's better to me than going at them with a damp cloth just to start, so that the blinds don't get all muddy, especially the white cords. I don't want them stained, so I'm going in and knocking off all the big chunks, and then we'll wipe down everything after. To wipe down the windowsills and some of the blinds, I'm just using the Lysol multi-surface cleaning spray, and I like this one because it does kill bacteria and it does a great job of removing stains and stuff like that get stuck in those trim pieces. While I'm over here by the front door, I'm just going to wipe down the lock and the door handle really well. And then after I'm done doing these windowsills, I'm also going to give our little mudroom bench a good vacuum and wipe down. Just little hands over here with germs, putting on their shoes and all that good stuff. It could use a good little wiping. And then right here, I'm going to show you the bottle if you want to screenshot that, just so that you know. So many of our friends have been dropping like flies with colds and the flu, so I decided to give everything that we touch often in this room a good wipe down as well. And for those of you who have been watching my videos for a while, you may have noticed that my hair is a little bit different. Back in November, I believe it was, I decided to dye my hair red. I was looking for something super bright, and unfortunately the color just did not want to stay in my hair. So now I'm in the process of going back to blonde, and that is why it's that rose gold kind of color that it is right now. I'm still in transition. It's definitely getting there. I'm trying to keep the strength of my hair. I'm trying not to compromise it too much, so that's why my hair is rose gold curly. I always like to finish off a space with a good vacuuming, so I'm going to do that here, and then I'm actually going to finish by wiping down the ottoman after I vacuum that. I'm also wiping that down with the Lysol all-purpose cleaner. It's not picture perfect. The cushion covers aren't back on yet. I'm gonna go shift those into the dryer on low heat pretty shortly here, but it is time for me to cook dinner. Our big kids are gonna be home from school soon. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that today's video got you motivated to pick up a vacuum or even just a microfiber cloth and get to dusting or wiping things down. I hope that everybody stays healthy and that your 2020 is off to a great start. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye guys.